So, the other day we finally took our two D200 for a drive on the highway. First time since we've owned it. And this is what we had going on underneath. I don't know if you can really see, but the exhaust is just hanging down. I didn't realize it was like that. Eric said we're lucky it didn't fall off while we were driving. So,
went to the exhaust shop.
we had some old exhaust.
Exhaust.
Is this from the 67?
Huh?
Is this from the 67?
Yes.
So this is from the 67 Mustang. We're kind of trying to piece some exhaust together for the Dodge. So like Eric said, he went to the exhaust shop.
Yeah, they were open. So I bought it free. I think it's
This
too
is what
small.
we're going to try to work with.
That's not small. It's hot. It's hot. Can you get my gloves? I'm going to get this off while it's hot. Because that seems like the right thing to do.
Absolutely.
That's always the right thing to do. This thing needs to be replaced.
Where would I find your gloves?
Oh my god. That's probably not good. Somewhere up there?
Perfect.
What is it leaking for? Why are you leaking? It's definitely transmission fluid. Did you find them?
I think so. Did I find them?
Yes, you found them.
Yay!
Ow! Yeah. I bet it sounds the same. That sucker is hot. Well, it looks like they welded a bigger pipe on the small pipe. So, let me... I think that definitely needs to... Yeah, it's probably my bouncy wobbling. Jeez, come on. I need to replace the center, I don't even know what it's called. Yeah, it's loose. Yeah, it's probably my vibration right there. And I might as well do the new joints while they're out, right?
We did it to one truck, we might as well do it to another.
Might as well. So I need to get this back on, welded. Then I need to jack the exhaust up because I think I bent it. I think it got caught on something when I was backing out. Caught on something. Anyway.
Oops.
And I think we can use some of this for yours. Get like a muffler. I wonder if this sounds any louder now that there's no muffler on it. Think it's going to sound different? I don't. Sounds like a bunch of wet steaks slapping together. Piece about that long. That long, right there. So that long. About an arm's length. And then I want to put muffler, piece, and then turn down so it keeps it out of the cab. I'm just going to end it like right down here. Turn it down and then weld that bracket that's on there up to the top so it's never going to go anywhere. You get them cheap with their cherry bombs or whatever you call these glass packs. Packs of glass. Oh, let's just fit in there. Go back in there. Oh, I got caught. Okay, where's the cab? Right there. We're past the cab almost. Perfect. So, we'll just go here and do a 2-footer. A 2-foot piece. tip-toppy too to you. That's just a weird bend though. I can just cut her off. Cut me a piece. Chop, chop right there. Spider-Man. I don't think there's any gas there. No, there's not. Copyright. Alright, so we want to cut that off. Heck yeah, we got a long tube coming out. I think that'll be just fine for now. Alright, let me cut this off now. I don't need that either at this time. Try it. Probably not. Damn, you are on there. There we go. Top freaking down. Alright. Now. Oh, tripping. I'm throw that under there. Oh, I went too far over.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's my fault. Yeah. Totally move it over like right there. Bam. Done. Alright, let's get the welder. Spiders. Alright, let's see. I just a little tap. Burn ourselves. Oh, it's gonna be so close. So close. There you go. Yeah, get on in there. Oh yeah, she's on there. Put this thing on. There we go. Stuttering Betty. Wiggle on down here. No.
Are you starting fires?
Yeah. It's okay. They're out. Mm. Mm. Squeeze up in here. Let's see if I can get this. Down, maybe. Oh, it's so close. So close. I think we're gonna go right there. This is gonna be fun. Where are you at? Yeah. Ow. Still get me. Ow. Ow. Let's see. Okay, how can we do this? Just do that like that. And then I can use this safely, not, we're gonna burn it probably. Okay. Let it rip, tater chip. What happened? We're not. I think I took this off here. Yeah, I don't know why I'm wearing these gloves when I have welding gloves right here.
We probably should have taken the old stuff out of the bed before he went for a drive. That's alright. It's fine.
It was deeper before I put that other pipe on. Now
When it was just the cherry bomb and the...
it was just a cherry bomb I stuck in there. Now I put that extra 2 foot on there after the cherry bomb, and it's quieter. I want it like, I want to hear it. I want to feel it. I want to feel the rumble. So I need to, if anybody has any suggestions, I need to tune the carburetor to this engine. I haven't done it yet because I'm still reading on stuff on how to do it. Because I want to know how to do it. So if we're ever out somewhere and it messes up, I can do it. And I want to fix the linkage for the gas pedal because it's really, I don't want to get stuck somewhere if it falls off and we lose the nut and the little bolt.
It's still sketchy.
It's just, it feels like it like you press it and the gas pedal like the linkage pops and then it lets you go. And then I want to change all that stuff up front, the sway bar, the tire rods,
The suspension.
yeah. And I want to do the same thing that we're going to do yours, that Pitman arm. This thing has loosey goosey. She's loosey goosey in the steering.
So the exhaust is now tacked up.
So we got the exhaust tacked up. It's good enough. I mean, for now. For now.
You're just not happy with it because you
No,
don't. You want to grumble.
I want a deeper sound, and it got quieter, is what happened. It got quiet now, and I'm like, I don't like that. It's an old truck. It should grumble and rumble. Yeah.
But not rattle and shake.
So yeah, we got the exhaust on.
The exhaust is again
It's
tacked on.
It's mocked up. How's
It's
that?
way better than it was when we took it down the highway the other
Yeah.
day, and it was just hanging on for dear life.
It's not bouncing around, and it seems pretty tight.
So more updates for our 2D200 coming up soon. Like he said, we're going to try to get into that suspension soon. We are going to try to get it legal probably before we get into the suspension, but we will see what happens. We have to finish up that exhaust at least in order to get it licensed.
I think it'll pass the way it is. It was I finished welding it up and then save up and get the real exhaust and then put it on.
Do it once,
Well, no.
and then do it right.
Well, I want headers. I want to get headers and then run exhaust, like dual exhaust. Right now it's single, and it needs duals.
So much future project. As always, thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, send us comments on tuning the carburetor, because we'll have to do a video on that eventually, and any other comments you want to give us, and we will see you next time.